In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a user's password in DocuSign, a full guide for 2025. Whether you're managing a team, dealing with security concerns, or just helping out a colleague, knowing how to reset a password can be a handy skill. Let's dive straight into the steps. First, you'll want to navigate to the DocuSign website. Make sure you're at the home page where you can log into your account. If you're new to DocuSign or haven't accessed it in a while, ensure your login credentials are up to date before proceeding. Once you're in, it's smooth sailing from here. Once you're logged into your DocuSign account, locate and click on the Manage Profile option. This is typically found in the top right corner of the screen under your account icon. Clicking on Manage Profile will bring you to a new page with several options related to your account settings. This is where you can make various adjustments to your profile, but today we will focus on resetting the password. On this account management page, keep an eye out for the Privacy and Security section. Click on it and you'll be directed to a section where you can manage and update your security settings. DocuSign is well known for its robust security features, so managing your privacy and security settings here can help ensure everything is up to standard. Next, you're going to click on the option labeled Change Password. This is a straightforward step, but it's crucial for kicking off the reset process. Clicking it opens up the password change interface, which will guide you through entering a new password. Once you're in the password change interface, go ahead and follow the prompts to enter your old password, followed by creating a new password. Make sure to choose a password that is strong yet memorable. A good rule of thumb is to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This not only helps maintain security, but also keeps your account protected from unauthorized access. Lastly, after you've entered and confirmed your new password, you need to click on Save to finalize the change. This is such a critical step because without saving these changes, your new password won't be updated and your efforts would be in vain. Always double check to ensure you've clicked Save. And that's it. Resetting a user's password in DocuSign is really that simple. By following these steps, you can ensure that your account or the account you're managing is secure with an updated password. Keeping passwords fresh and secure is a valuable habit in today's digital age. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more videos for tips and tricks for using DocuSign effectively. See you next time.